Hello, friends. Today we have started a new YouTube channel called as Law Leo. The motto behind this channel is Learn Law Like Never Before. Myself, K. Here. This website is mostly useful for the UPSC aspirants. Not only UPSC, it will be useful for judicial services and also many state service exams. So first of all, I would like to give a brief introduction like what I'll be dealing in this website as we unfold the days. First of all, I'll be dealing with the optional topics which are very important for the law optional. I'll be dealing with the case laws, that is elaborate version of those case laws and how it will be applicable practically, and I'll be giving you a brief idea about the answer writing and also how the points should be written in the examination so that you can score good marks. First of all, paper 1 will be with the topics such as the fundamental rights. It is like the general studies, generally what we learn in the UPSC exam. It is almost the same, but here we will be learning this in a more elaborate version of a few topics like the emergency provisions, Lokayukta, Lokpal in detail. That is to mean in detail study of each topic is very important here when we take law as optional. Supreme Courts, High Courts, center and state local bodies. These are a few very important topics which should be dealt in a very detailed manner. And also the updating of the current affairs and also the important topics I'll be updating you so that it is very easy for you to prepare for the upcoming examinations. International law will be dealing, so one advantage which you get here is that it is enough, it is most of the topics will be covered if you read the newspaper daily on daily basis. Updating of the newspaper is very important, and a few basic topic here are the law of the sea, territorial jurisdiction, treaties, different treaties, and what are the applicability of those, United Nations organs, functions, what are the functions of those, and whether India has ratified those treaties or not. These are the important aspects which we'll be dealing, and also some of the new international economic order and monetary laws like the WTO, IMF, World Bank, etc. Next is the paper 2. It is a very important topic. It consists of very important uh, subjects like the law of crimes, torts, contract, temporary legal developments. The law of crimes will be dealing with important IPC sections, I and the kinds of punishments, joint and constructive liability, abatement, conspiracy. Here important is that you must remember the sections properly so that you can score good marks, and also updating on daily basis is very important because certain IPC sections are amended or will be amended, so it is very important to stay updated in this subject. Law of torts will generally deal with the liabilities, that is strict and absolute liability. I'll be explaining you in detail what is tort, the nature and definition of the tort, how the word derived, and what are the important concepts here, like the general defenses which will be dealing with voluntary non-fit injuria, act of God, etc. And also the negligence, defamation, nuisance are the few important topics which is very important. And Consumer Protection Act is, I think I can tell you, it is a very interesting topic and very knowledgeable. The law of torts Here we'll be dealing with what is a contract, what is an agreement, what is void, voidable, and unenforceable agreements, quasi contracts, sale of goods and hire purchases, negotiable instrument act, and standard, which are the standard form of contract, etc. Next, contemporary legal developments. I think if this can be covered when you update yourself by reading current affairs and also daily basis newspaper, so that I think if you stay updated, or if you subscribe my channel, I think it will be very useful for you all to prepare for the competitive exams. And as of my opinion, this subject is a very interesting subject. Not only preparation for the examination, I think it is important for each and every person who is citizen of India to be aware of these laws. And to stay updated, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.